guys! Well, have you ever had one of those days where you feel like you just can't get anything done? Well, I'm living that day today. I tried to mow the lawn. See this beautiful lawn right here? I want to tackle this today. I tried to mow the lawn with the tractor mower and the mowing deck won't go down. I'm not that mechanical, so I couldn't figure that out right now. I might try again later. I tried with the push mower and I can't get it to start. It's just one of those days. So anyway, I moved on to the next option to try here. So I've actually been really excited about this. I bought this a couple of weeks ago and have just been waiting to use it until the weather cooled off a little bit. It is a 4-cycle straight shaft Ryobi string trimmer. I also bought several of the attachments, so I'm gonna do unboxings of those as well. So let's get to it. So this is the test to see how easy this is to put together, because I'm already frustrated from not being able to get the other two machines to work. Very well packaged. I'm just going to throw everything over here for now. Up in the top, this is the shaft with the trimmer head on it. And I'm going to read the directions before I do anything with it. There are a whole bunch of parts in here and the directions. I'm going to leave that right there. I like simple. This is great. So there's two main parts that go together. Obviously this is where the fuel goes. It's not as heavy as I thought it was going to be. I have been a little worried about how heavy it was going to be because I have scoliosis and I have a lot of back pain in general. So that's everything in the box. All the instructions right there. This is the string head cover. Extra line. I did buy more line in the house. No idea what this is, but it looks like it winds something. 4-cycle engine lubricant. So this must be the oil. I do have gas over there, I hope. I used to have gas over there, and this looks like a handle. And I think that goes on the oil bottle. Okay. Operator's manual. Hopefully there's a quick start guide in here. Alright, so I think putting the shafts together is going to be pretty self-explanatory. There's a bolt that tightens them up. I'm kind of afraid of putting it on backwards. Oh, I think this is right though. Alright, well the good news is I'm doing it right. The bad news is it's not working. So see it, it's like a half an inch too high. Haha, that did it. You have to be aggressive. Alright, so now I can tighten this bad boy up. And I'm getting oil on myself already. Who cares? So in case you were wondering, this is a review done, or an unboxing done by someone who has never put one of these things together before or anything like it. Now it is a lot heavier now. Alright. So I have that put together. Make sure I'm, yeah. Well, I guess it kind of, the positioning really depends on you, but it even says right here, handle position. Guess I don't have to check. I love it. Okay. Then I'm just going to put the screw in and tighten it up with this little guy. This is next. Well, there's only one place for a screw on here. Looking at the pictures is very helpful. This reminds me of putting Legos together. Only Legos has way better instructions. Okay. You know, maybe that's a lesson that every company needs to learn. They should model their instructions after Legos. Because you really can't mess Legos up. Alright. So what I'm going to do now is put the gas in. Hit there. That fills up fast. Since the gas spilled, I'm going to wipe it up. That's lovely. This is what the oil bottle looks like. And this is where the oil goes. So this is the back of the machine, and there's a little cap that you remove and put the oil in. You do want to make sure that you cut the top a little bit wider, otherwise it's going to take forever, because this thing Man, it was slow. I have a tip for you when you're filling it up with gas. When you use one of these new-fangled gas cans, they're designed to push in and push down at the same time. But because the gas tank on this trimmer is very small, you don't want to do that. You want it to have enough pressure on here, just barely any, to open this and dribble the gas out. And then you can press this down to make it go a little bit faster, but the minute that you full release the amount of gas that can come out of this, naturally you're going to overflow it. So just take it slow, and since I started doing that, I haven't overflowed it at all. But the first time, I definitely did.